Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of Bok Choy, also known as Chinese cabbage. Might look unassuming, but don't let its unpretentious appearance fool you. This humble veggie is bursting with a wealth of nutrients that can work wonders for your well-being. From supporting bone health to promoting heart wellness, Bok Choy is here to enrich your life in countless ways. So get ready to embrace the goodness of Bok Choy and embark on an exciting journey toward a more vibrant and nourished lifestyle. First up, let's talk nutrients. Packed with an array of essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin A, calcium, and potassium, this leafy green is a one-stop shop for your daily nutrient needs. Fueling your body with these vital nutrients is like giving it a powerful boost to tackle the day ahead. Strong and healthy bones? Who doesn't want that? Well, Bok Choy's got you covered. Thanks to its impressive calcium content, Bok Choy supports bone health and keeps those bones strong and sturdy. It's an excellent choice, especially for those looking to fortify their skeletal system. If you're on a mission to keep your heart healthy, Bok Choy is a fantastic ally. With its rich potassium content, this leafy green helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels, promoting cardiovascular well-being. So, let's give a shout out to Bok Choy for being a heart-loving hero. Time to show some love to our gut. With Bok Choy's fiber-rich nature, it becomes a superhero in supporting our digestive system. The fiber in Bok Choy aids in smooth bowel movements and keeps things running smoothly, promoting digestive comfort and overall gut health. The power of antioxidants in Bok Choy. Let's dive into this fantastic benefit. Bok Choy is like an antioxidant treasure chest, brimming with nutrients that combat harmful free radicals in our body. At the forefront is vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that shields our cells from oxidative stress. By neutralizing these free radicals, Bok Choy helps protect our DNA, proteins, and lipids from damage, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and premature aging. But that's not all. Bok Choy also boasts a high concentration of beta-carotene, another powerful antioxidant. Once inside our body, beta-carotene gets converted into vitamin A, providing even more protection against free radicals and bolstering our immune system. By regularly incorporating Bok Choy into our diet, we can give our body an antioxidant boost that helps maintain a healthy balance, enhances overall well-being, and supports radiant, youthful-looking skin. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. When it comes to a strong immune system, Bok Choy is a trusty sidekick. Loaded with vitamin C, this leafy green bolsters our body's defense mechanism, helping us stay resilient against those pesky bugs and viruses. What's more, Bok Choy, with its rich content of vitamin A, plays a vital role in supporting eye health and vision protection. Vitamin A is a precursor to the production of a light-sensitive pigment called rhodopsin, which is essential for our eyes to adjust to changes in light and darkness. This enables us to see clearly, especially during low-light conditions. In addition to promoting good night vision, vitamin A in Bok Choy helps maintain the health of the cornea, the transparent front part of our eyes, and contributes to the production of tears that keep our eyes lubricated and moisturized. Watch out, weight-conscious warriors. Bok Choy is here to help. Bok Choy is a fantastic choice for those looking to manage their weight as it is incredibly low in calories. This means you can enjoy generous portions without worrying about consuming excess calories. With its high water content, Bok Choy helps keep you feeling hydrated and full, which can curb overeating and snacking between meals. Bok Choy is also a great source of dietary fiber, which plays a crucial role in weight management. Fiber aids in digestion, promoting a feeling of satiety, and it also helps regulate bowel movements, supporting a healthy gut. Bok Choy's combination of fiber, water, and nutrients leads to a slower release of energy, providing you with sustained energy levels and reducing the likelihood of energy crashes and subsequent snacking. Bok Choy is naturally low in fat, making it a great addition to a balanced diet, especially for those seeking to manage their fat intake. Bok Choy's mild, slightly sweet flavor makes it a versatile ingredient in a variety of culinary creations. So, there you have it. Embrace the wholesome goodness of Bok Choy and enjoy a nutrient-packed journey to a healthier you. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.